Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about getters and setters. So, what this things does is make an property for the object or an array. So, let's show you an example. What we're gonna do: object make an array like log. Name it log and throw a bunch of strings like b comma c. And now what we want is object is when we log out console, when we type object dot latest, we can get the c. So we can't do this now, but we want to. So what we're gonna do, make a getter function. So what getter does for us, get latest and if this dot log dot length, we will set a length for that. If the length is equal to 0, what we're gonna do is we will return undefined. We will return undefined, and if it fulfills the condition for that, so what we're gonna return is this dot log dot this dot and pass an parameter this dot log dot length -1. So what it happens is when we log that on console, we will get the latest. Yeah, there's a mistake. Yeah, we will get the heck. Oh, sorry about that. So when we log it on a console, we will get the latest string or a number, whatever it is on that object. And now what we want to need is when we do object latest equals string d, we want d here. So what we're gonna do is make a set. How we do that? Type set latest, pass an parameter called value, and now what we're gonna do is make that as a function. This dot log dot push. When we do that and give value, when we do that, we can use that latest as a set. So you can see what we can do with that set and get, and this is also known as setters and getters. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.